Remember mango stew, you know? Right.
Yeah, my peeps, at dinner time, you know. See mango stew, yeah. Mango stew chicken, you know. Hey guys, welcome back to Lumber Kitchen. The recipe for today is some mango stew. The recipe is nice, eatable, and delicious. Remember, mango stew chicken, right? So please to like and share. Just watch your video till it's done, like and share. Recipe is eatable, tasteable, delicious. Remember, lumberjack, Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Like and share. Alright guys, alright, welcome back to Lumber Kitchen. Recipe for today has some mango stew chicken. Alright, so I'm going to show you all of my ingredients. The first one on the list, see chicken here, you have the vinegar to wash the chicken. See sauce here, you have the ketchup, and see season there. You have some honey, and see chicken season, and see brown in here. You have onion, you have the garlic, you have Irish pepper, scallion, see plant here, see carrot, and see mango. They are sweetie mango. The recipe, mango stew. This a recipe I got nice. Remember, Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Like and share. The recipe delicious, finger licking. Recipe are eatable. Remember, Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Remember, mango stew. Right? Yeah, man. Alright, my peeps. I'm going to remove the skin from the chicken. Remember, mango stew, you know, so clean out the fat and skin. Take out the waste off it. So I'm going to cut the chicken in more smaller. And smaller pieces, you have to cut them more smaller, right? Get them smaller like these. Yeah, my piece, remember I say mango stew, so I have to get them more smaller, right? Cut the chicken them more smaller. Mango stew I go eat them, man, delicious. Remember lumberjack, you know, Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Mango stew chicken. So you have to remove the skin, take out fat them and thing, waste off it and clean it up how you like it. But me remove everything off of my chicken, clean it up the right way, nice and clean. Okay. You can see, yeah, clean. Cut them more smaller. Remember mango stew, you know, man. Mango stew, yeah, got nice, eatable, delicious. Remove them part there. Off the leg, right? You know, chicken leg. Cut it more smaller. Remember mango stew, you know. Recipe I got nice, man. Eatable, tasteable, finger licking. Yeah. Mango stew chicken. Remember, remove the skin like these off the chicken, right? We don't want the waste on it. Skin like these. And dig out them waste here. Yeah. And cut them in a more smaller stew like these. Remember, mango stew chicken, Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Like and share. Recipe I eatable and tasteable. Nice like my girl and breast. Alright, please see chicken they cut more small. I say mango stew, so I cut them more small. 2 pound of chicken that now, you see? Yeah. Alright, please you can see I have some garlic and pepper. Add to the mango stew. I have some Maggi all-purpose season. I have some chicken. Some chicken Maggi. Sorry. I'm gonna add some browning to it. Like the cock browning. That one want to cook it more, so I add half more cock to it. Right? Remember mango stew, you know. So I'm going to mustard this now. and mustard mango stew. Remember, mango stew, you know. This will soak for about 4 hours. Nice season for me use it. Alright? Nice. Alright, you know, say outside they're starting to peel the carrot and thing. Remember, mango stew chicken, you know, so the plant them frying and thing. You see it outside, eat it.
Peel the mango then, you know? Normal free.
Peace, member, say outside some start to turn the plantain and thing. We don't want them burn up, you see, yeah, man, we want them fried.
Pepper. Yeah. Yeah, my people, see? Mango stew, man. Remember, mango stew. Yeah, my people, see? Look what I go on. Remember, mango stew, you know me. Mango stew, chicken, brawling. No joke. Remember, mango stew chicken. Mango stew. Irish. Irish again. Carrot. Lord. Onion. Scallion. Mango again. Lord. Jamaican cooking lumberjack, you know, outside, you know? Yeah. Delicious. Eatable. Outside. No joke. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Mango stew.
Yeah, the mango seed sweet, you know, delicious, eatable.
Mango stew, you know? Yeah, man. Mango stew. Mango stew. Alright then. Mango stew outside, you know? Lumberjack Jamaican cooking. Alright. Outside mango stew. Come down, come down. Not down Shelly in my pot. Come down. Come down Shelly. Alright, I've done this up to one time. Little honey down, you know? Yeah man. Flavor this stuff. Flavor this stuff. Yay! And put the like this in it, man. Outside, you know? Yeah, tell me. Mango stew. Add little water to it. Taste. Right, new chat. Outside. There's some peas pot there. Outside. Yeah, my peeps outside. Remember, say a mango stew, you know, man. Mango stew chicken, you know. Yeah, man, outside. Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Mango stew.
Today our next day. Today is Sunday. You know where some peace there. some stew we do with today. Rice and peas. But I want a mango stew drink for people. Mango in night. Peel the mango and it night and it nice, it bad. I tell her. Right on people more mind even got taste it. It bad.
Yeah, my peeps, at dinner time, you know. See mango stew, yeah. Mango stew chicken, you know. Lumber that dinner time, eatable. Like and share.